with you, baby. What a girl. What's overused, they burn in your head. And stop fight for what to ahead. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And make you know you're good in a bed and can't put food in a mouth and the head. This is what old man say. Instead of little money that him have on a Saturday evening. Mm. He wake up to a Saturday night. Mm. Instead of taking money and go buy some wife. He not deny it, he go buy what world a girl have on the fuck. He spend out all in cash. He say when Sunday morning come, Sunday evening, he never have nothing to eat. Mm. And he say the money that you used to buy the sex. Mm. You see the same world a girl and the man and the children, cook and I heat up the plate in the hand and he can hold one in the hand. He say almost dead we hungry. He say I'm not going to do it again. Seem like he come back to his senses. Water running at the trenches. Full and safe. Why you never go ask her for a little food to eat? Wherever there and keep the peace roaming the street, nice and sweet, tight and sweet, 7 days a week. Keep the peace in order. What a man, what a girl, this is what a man say. The daughter called the brother, the sister called the brother and said, brother, mama medication ran out, and she have a prescription right to full. The brother turned and said to her, tell mommy go down to the church and give them the prescription and they take care of it. But mommy not gonna do such a thing. Mommy want him pay for it and thing. He was in the state and the sister in the island. He said the sister in the island. And mommy was in the island again. The next day sister called the brother and tell him, brother, mommy gone, mommy dead. He said, what? Mommy died with the prescription in her hand. He said, sister, I'm coming. I'll be out on the first flight. And he do as him say. When he go down to the island, he go to the mortuary. He ask them which is the expensive casket. And mommy must get the best. He walk around, them show him over there. It's kinda expensive, but it's all very expensive. He said, that's this one mommy must get. Couldn't buy the medication, but he can get the expensive casket. We go down it, what a thing. And the day of the funeral, he come in a limousine. When mommy not straight, mommy not straight, nor lean. Leave the scene, she was a queen. Medication never come in, so she don't have no fresh air. And so she gone from here. Why is a turn down here? You never feel mommy pain, son. You did not fight for her. Mommy fight for us when we was a little baby. And now they get elderly and they can't deny us. But you let she count out. Her fresh year gone right out. Down in the heat with night and sun. Full of heat, in the mouth. Why you just drinking a few stuff? Can't eat about in a boiling house. Whole ton of money just a pulling out. Down in all the east, west, and north and south. What a man, what a girl. You see, when you have no fresh air, Having the feast down here, not every piece going to your teeth. So now is the time for you have your feast. Tight and sweet, making say you sweet. Sweet on the street, sweet on the sheet, sweet at the beach, at the party you meet. Food you cook up and food you have to eat. I'm making no, you're not to do it. 7 days a week we have to feast, baby. I don't know why we just can't get along. Next time you love him, next time you meet him, next time he's the best, next time you know he's the worst. Can't touch him skirt, can't touch him shirt. Now in my dust of hurt, a dust of dirt, I'm full of dirt, I'm full of hurt, more love being a hurt. Skirt to skirt and shirt to shirt, never give and take. But him know his Christ first, just the same, if not the worst. Never quaint in thirst, just the same. Big up yourself.